Clustering and phenotyping is a new way to do the analysis. And in FlowLogic, we did develop something extremely simple to use to do this type of analysis. So we highlight level of the singlet, and we add the singlet to our area. These are selected, so all the cluster will execute in all of them. We have different setting for the cluster, all event, so we can clustering with all event. We can cluster with defined number of events or with 10% of the event, and this is what we are doing. So we build the cluster, we remove the parameter that we don't want, update the cluster. Now, before the phenotyping, we have to go and check the parameter name. So we go to the parameter tab, and we check the custom label. We have already renamed the parameter here. So the parameter name is very short, and we will use this parameter name to set up our phenotypes. So we go, now we copy and paste the singlet. We go to another folder. We have another file, paste singlet. Now we open the file. We know that we want to the CD4 and CD8. So we make a splitter from CD4 and CD8. These emulate the FMO. We don't have the FMO available for these files, so we have to set up the positive and negative. So we develop a splitter for the CD8, and you can see that immediately the splitter pick up the name set by the user, CRB and CD45. At this point, we have whatever we need to do to perform our analysis. We are looking here for CD4 and CD8. Basic, simple, but useful. So now we have two types of phenotype. One phenotype algorithm is based on MFI and is based on a normal distribution. The second one is based on FMO. So we cut the data like with the gate. We built our phenotype. We go, select the splitter, update the splitter, and you can see FlowLogic update the splitter in the way that we will set the splitter and build the phenotype. This process is very fast, takes just a few seconds, and we have immediately the phenotype that we are looking for. When we have the phenotype that we're looking for, we add the phenotype to our global, and here what we are looking for is the CD4 and CD8. We add CD4 and CD8 to the global, then we go to our global, and our global is already set for us, and we can immediately see that is set automatically like the island. So we have island. So we are interested in something different. We want to do an extraction, so we can use the island to do the extraction, but I want to show that we can visualize all our data, and we can visualize how the data is distributed in all the files. This is CD4 positive. Now, to extract the CD4 positive, we use the gating strategy. In FlowLogic, we can build a gate. So we add a single polygon. We select this polygon, and we select our CD4 positive. After we select our CD4 positive, we click this icon, and we get one cluster gate built for all cluster. And immediately we can see that our CD4 is very similar to our CD4 that we did extract. Then we go back, we want to extract the CD8. So we go here and we extract our CD8. And we can see immediately the CD8 is extracted for all the files. So at this point, we did our analysis. We can delete the gate without any problem, and we can go and visualize what we did, compare to what we did with the normal gate. So this is CD8, this is CD4, this is CD8, and this is CD4. And this is what we got with the cluster. Thank you very much.